Hello, hello, hello. So welcome. Today I'm going to show you a disruption which is happening around the world, and that all type of countries which they issue bonds, they have a problem. Also, Ethereum is going to release a new upgrade, and there is a new technology on Ethereum which may push forward adoption, okay, and compliance changes, compliance exactly, that will and might be revolutionary to not only investment fields, but like claiming a real yield. Let's go. Hello, my name is Matthew. Welcome to 321 Crypto. This is disclaimer. Remember, I'm not financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always be smart and try to seek the best decisions from yourself and try to avoid any advisors, because remember, every advisor have to earn money, and on who he gonna get the more money? On the person which doesn't know anything. Nothing, nobody. So remember, every time there's the same process, the same model, the same inputs, the same outputs. Let's go. Value stream mapping is one and only discipline which will make you healthy, rich, and unstoppable. So let's go. Bitcoin. First of all, Bitcoin is going up now, okay? Bitcoin passed our dead zone, but is now struggling with another one, which is 45.50. So very quick, because maybe not many people are interested on such a deep analysis. That's why I'm always running analysis, maybe 5-7 minutes, okay? So the last time you remember, we had this ABCDE pattern, which result in the wave 4. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I would look for the pullback. So if Bitcoin will go a little bit up, I'm gonna look for a pullback, and then I will be able to enter for another round, okay, up. So that's my goal is. Now, let's talk about the token. So token is the real world asset coin, and it's gonna launch their tokenization module. That's going to be something big, I think. So if you didn't enter when I was showing this here, the next point of entry could be at this pullback in around 2.7 cents, 2.6 cents. So we will see, okay? Another set of coins. So remember when I was talking about Tau, and Tau went up, okay? And then I was saying, watch out for these coins here. They may follow Tau because Tau is like a leader. My theory is when the leader is going up, coins are following. The same coins from the same categories following. We were entering Tara here. Now Tara is here. That's about what, 40%? That's about 45%. CAS, the same thing. I was saying, watch out, it may be danger. I didn't enter CAS. I thought this maybe go down, but then I now know that if the Tau will go up next time, this is gonna go as well. Nexa, system failure. Now it's a good point of entry, because I think Nexa will start going up as well, but around 18th of February. And we have OCTA. So OCTA is L1 also computing power project. I think it's gonna also go up. We have a nice, we have a nice channel here. Very nice. And it's playing that channel. Okay, so I'm reckon it's gonna break out from that channel up. But the most interesting is Brock. You see this green, you see this blue pattern, okay? This blue pattern is a CLORE pattern. It's not some sort of technical, it's just a CLORE, the project which was listed here as well. I reckon it's a very good project. It's also using this DEPIN narrative, so decentralized physical infrastructure network, which is used for AI, for delivering GPU computer power for AI, for calculations. And there are not enough power now, so every place is good. So I invested in this like here, okay, cash out around here, and now I'm buying back, and I'm counting it may go down, maybe, that's why I bought here another package, maybe in around 6 cents, okay. I got 5 cents, this zone. So I would add to my bag. So anyway, CLORE was released here on the MEXs, that's the exchange. Yeah, and look, BROC is having the same pattern. So I reckon BROC may go up as well. Okay, BROC may go up as well. I would wait till BROC will pass maybe 13 cents and it's going to be safer entry. Okay, buy long, buy long. Okay, I have even an alarm here. I said, okay, that's fine. So that's two coins, BROC and TOKENfi, that I'm looking for, let's say 1 to 3, 4 weeks. Okay, entry. Another one that I was pushing very hard, okay, was GHX. So I think GHX have achieved its top, and now it's gonna be some corrective pattern. They had a good few mentions on the Twitters. They had a launch on MEXs on the exchange. So now I think they could have an ABC pattern down. And if somebody is not entering this, didn't enter yet, it's going to be a good opportunity. Very quickly, what is Gamer Hash? Gamer Hash is also delivering computer power to AIs, but they are specializing in adding this from the crowd who has never been approached by any mining company, and they are, this crowd is, they are gamers. So gamers using their computer for gaming. However, if they don't play, they can install this application of the Gamer Hash. And this application is, we call that mining, but it's delivering AI power, computing power for AI in the background. If you start doing something, this application is kind of reducing this power, yeah, gathering, so you can work normally or stopping at all, yeah. So you are delivering high quality momentum power where others don't. And you know what this what a funny thing is? They are working since 4 years. And they have entire infrastructure ready because they were mining coins. But since NVIDIA launched this new protocol, which is now kind of desired for, and it's kind of designed to increase the computing power for AI, the terminology mining AI have been more popular, and the mining AI is much more profitable than mining the coins. That's why some of the Bitcoin pools are resigning and they are switching to mining AIs. That's very interesting, okay? So they have everything, and imagine yourself that they were delivering water using their whole entire infrastructure, okay? And suddenly, and they were getting paid for this, yeah? But suddenly someone said, wow, actually you can deliver oil very fast, very efficient, and you can make 10 times more. So miners now using the GHX can earn 10 times more than just using normal mining facilities. That's a huge thing. And the project has only, I think, 40 million capitalization, maybe 50. When I was seeing this, it was about 20. And their main competitor, Render, check this. Render do not have facility for mining, it's in progress, do not have network built, and it's valuated at $1.8 billion. Bam! Nothing inside, okay? Nothing inside, it's like a demo car. Nice, huh? So watch the space. So that would be it for the moment. And there's another project, SIDUS, I was talking about this, it's now going up here, watch out. They're gonna have a launchpad soon, and to be entitled to be on this launchpad, you have to lock your SIDUS coins, okay? So they have Alex Becker on board, and I think this guy has a huge momentum on the social media. So once he's gonna tweet about this thing, bam. So watch out, okay? I think the coins are gathered here. I have some draft here, and look, this yellow thing is our hodlers. So when the price was going down, people stopped buying. They were kind of accumulating. Nobody was accumulating then here at the price was low. So once the news will be launched that watch out, the tiers will be open, blah, 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 bam, okay? I think the price will go up. That's what I'm playing for. It's at the moment, I can see that the correction pattern ABC is done. Now I would count that's gonna be ABC or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm reckon my target is to be equal to about 7, 8 cents. At the moment, we are at 5 cents. Okay, nice. And that's only target for short term, like 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks. Okay, let's go to the news. Let's go to the news. So we have a nice greenish. Okay, greenish. Now, I don't know, did you see that short movie about Bukele? He is now saying to the mass of people, look,
nuestro país ya no corre la sangre que corría antes.
So look, he is now saying like, we did it, okay, because he was re-elected. He opened a so-called Bitcoin beach, where they were showing people how to work with Bitcoin. They were creating basically new economy. And the most important that he did, he opened Bitcoin bonds. So plenty of investors around the world invest in Bitcoin bonds, and people don't want to buy now normal bonds because the investment on Bitcoin bonds was being transferred into investment of infrastructure to mine Bitcoin from volcano thermal energy. So that's what they're doing. They're creating a Bitcoin city there where you're gonna be tax-free. New technology rising, tax-free. Have this in mind, okay? And these bonds are creating new workplaces, and it's not that people have to pay back. That's the most important. People, citizens, okay, the citizens of El Salvador will not pay back in taxes these loans taken by releasing these bonds. And if your country is releasing bonds, you are paying this in your taxes, and the money is not going in investments. For example, in US, 60 billions are almost went to Ukraine again. I don't know how many billions they spent already. Many millions are going to immigrants, not the homeless people in the country, immigrants, okay? Some stupid legislations about some carbon, ESG or whatever, okay? And some new, I don't know, homicide mindset, like LGBT, whatever, yeah? And you have to pay for this in taxes. If houses are given for free to, let's say, immigrants or whoever, somebody doesn't work and doesn't care, it is getting from your money. You are buying these houses. Here, no. So think only, if there is a lack of trust in a system, where the money will go? To a fake system which everyone knows now it's leaking and like everyone wants to grab your money, or maybe a new system which is transparent and trustless. Bam! Okay, bam. And nobody's talking about this. No media, no one else. No media, no one else. So I have a project here on Tencent. I'm gonna invest in that project. But I just want to share my thoughts on this one, okay? I was thinking this is a low kinda, let's say half rubbish project. But then I thought from a different angle. So the owners of this project are former members of hedge funds, okay? So I saw these projects already. They are ETFs that you can build up your own investing baskets, let's say. So you choose few tokens and that's your investment kind of vehicle. However, this is now dedicated to business clients, so pension funds, investment funds, retirement funds, and so on, okay? Someone will say, okay, what about this? Like, who will invest? And now take a look. We can see the banks, this new bank in New York that I was showing yesterday is falling apart. Probably it's just a first syndrome and we're gonna see more banks are coming because 11th of March, the banking funding program from Fed is been expired, gone, okay? So I see that the people don't trust banks. And if people don't trust banks, they're going to be throwing out cash from the banks. They also don't trust hedge funds, investment funds, retirement funds, and other funds. They just have to trust, but they don't trust because they don't have any alternative. But think only, these investment funds, they also don't have any alternatives. But since ETFs were approved, like in BlackRock and so on, now the eyes are open that this is a quite good vehicle, okay? So people would like to invest in this as well. So think only if this vehicle, I don't know if it's going to be succeed, okay? I don't know, it's a huge risk, but if they will be succeeded, they have connections in this industry, and their partners, so different investment funds, hedge funds, they will seek transparency because their clients will seek transparency. It's a normal process, input, output, CPOC process, that's it. Seek value, you will always be winner. And if this will happen, you have an embedded trust in the process. I don't have to trust bank or somebody that will going to give me the audited papers and then the next day they're going to be gone, because that's what happens. I will see this myself by clicking on the blockchain, and I will see, okay, this company is empty. I'm going to withdraw money now. Now, crypto, my crypto, now. I don't need permission from bank. So this project could be very successful, but only if a trust demand will arise. That's what I can see. Let's go to another good news. ERC 404. Someone say, who cares? Who cares, man? Who cares? Look, normal coins at the Ethereum blockchain are ERC 20 standard. NFTs are ERC 721 standard. Imagine yourself that ERC 404 are connected together. That opens a totally new way for compliance. You know, securities, non-securities, Bitcoin is non-security, everything is security. People cannot have participation in some revenue sharing and so on. Yeah. Now I think they could, because NFTs are not on the blacklist, and these tokens could represent new certificate kind of ownership way that you could invest in companies and have their like a dividends revenue share. You know what I mean? This could open totally new door. I'm not sure if I understand this right, but that's what I can see. We will see if yes, you will see Ethereum skyrocket. There is also more talks about Polkadot. You know, AWACS have a good run, okay? Solana have a very good run. DOT, now messages are around the DOT. So I think Polkadot, and I can show you this here, because we opened position on Polkadot 2 days ago. We were open this position. Polkadot broke out from this channel, and if all is good, Polkadot may go here, okay? So it's kind of strange, but yeah, I could move this thing here, because that could be the one. Yes, that could be number 4. Yes, actually, yes, I could move this here because it's going to be number 5. 1 second. Yes, so Polkadot in short term could go to about $7.50, and maybe if I'm wrong, then to about $8.5. I'm counting total within a short time to $10 within about a month, let's say. We will see. We'll see. So I just lift my stop loss up and hope for the best. Hope for the best. Why Ethereum could be such a winner? Okay, there's a new upgrade on Ethereum which gonna lower down the, lower down fees, and more network will be adapted. More network will be cheaper. Everything will run more smoother, and security will be improved. Look, Ethereum have a minus 0.21 supply, which is deflated. So it means you can get real yield. Like, you don't have to look in a bank for 4%. You get me? Eugen Layer give you 8%. And people don't know that people in bank are getting less than 1/4%, and then they can earn more. Like, I was in my bank, and the lady proposed me to leave my money, a higher sum, for about 5% if I'm gonna lock this for 5 years. I said, what? I said, listen, lady, I can have 8% per year, and my money are instantly lock up if I need them. I can have, plus the value in Ethereum will gonna grow because it's a cycle up. So I'm gonna have actually around 500% within a year. Maybe not 500, 350%. 500 could be within a year and a half. And she was, oh, I'm not able to propose. I said, I know you don't. I know, but why you're not going there? Then I asked her a few questions about the BlackRock ETFs. Nothing. Boom. Nothing. Shakalaka. That's it. So, like I said, if you're looking for advisors which are not able to help you because they are not for help, they are to, calculate, take your fees, yeah? Come on. Move this process to any other brand. Health brand, okay? I don't know, you name it. Law, you name it. Am I sick? I don't think so. It's a process. Everything's a process. So watch out. So Brazil. Now this is also interesting. Ramp rolls out ID-free onboarding to attempt to more clients. So Ramp is a service that is accommodating, that you can pay. Okay, you can pay, when you're paying on MetaMask or Trust Wallet or BitPay or whatever, you're using a ramp as a service, as this kind of on-ramp gateway. If you're gonna do KYC, so know your customer, with them, you don't have to do any KYC when the next time you're going to be buying on MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitPay, and so on. So these kind of gates or exchanges will going to have this embedded. Very good idea. However, I still have my ID in ramp in a single company. It's better than in the 4 companies, the same thing, or way better. But why not on a blockchain? That special, now look about this, special protocol will qualify, am I me or not me? It's gonna verify me. I'm gonna submit my documents and my Face ID, and I'm gonna have this verified on blockchain, and the authentication key I will have. And if I'm gonna want to buy something, I will just sign the transaction using my wallet, which was authenticated on the blockchain, and that's it. Nobody sees my ID, but everyone knows that me is me. My trust is embedded in the process, in the blockchain, not by person who gonna take the photos and then another 5 immigrants will go on my name. You get me? I think this gonna be revolutionary for KYC coins. And a big thing also going to ZK Fair mainnet. So basically ZK has about 600,000 custom addresses. However, they are doing so-called passport verification. So this is what I said. They are verifying are you on social media exchanges to create that you are a human being, because there are a lot of bots there. So this is happening now when I speak. That's why I'm thinking I have to find out the coins for so-called KYC season. We will see. And watch out. Pixels, it could be the revolutionary, the biggest game, which is going to launch on biggest hype. We will see. And it's going to bring Ronin another huge investment. So Ronin is the company which had the Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is the game which was in the first bull run in 2020, in a previous bull run 2020. And this game basically created a gaming society, a gaming Web 3.0 narrative, and so on. So huge thing. You can play that game now, Pixel, and maybe you're going to be entitled to airdrop. So that's it for today. Take care. See you. Goodbye.